guys, welcome to episode 6 of the Service Learning Podcast, where we talk about the service learning experience and how it relates to the course content of English 2210. So today there was no class. I didn't realize that until I showed up to our normal classroom. It just so happened to be that two of my group mates also showed up to the class. So we ended up working on our project in class for a little while since, it seemed convenient and it seemed like something that we could do. So we had a chance to discuss the project a little bit and talk about kind of what direction we were headed with it. We went into the database that Jesse gave us access to. We were kind of just looking through different pictures, mainly just kind of looking for what would be a good fit for what we have so far as our brochure. This week we're going to make a decision as to which pictures we want to include from the website on our brochure. So yeah, we'll be making a decision about that sometime this week. We're dealing with content development and content management right now, building the brochure, adding multimodal components to our journals and the content that we're producing right now for Project 2. We're starting to kind of tie it all together now. All we really need is some pictures to kind of polish off the brochure, and then I'm probably going to go on the Google Doc probably later today or maybe tomorrow, to kind of check out some details on the brochure, do a comparison of our brochure versus the sample template that Jesse gave us, and just kind of compare and contrast a little bit, and then I'm going to see if I can add some details to make it look a little bit more professional and more usable. So this week in the service experience, I've been exercising my creative muscles, really trying to make the brochure something that looks good, but also is able to be used by a professional organization such as Mandy's Farm. I'd like to see our deliverable being used in this year's Harvest Festival at Mandy's Farm. So that's just kind of something that I would like to see happen when it's all completed and when we're finished with Project 2. I think that would be something pretty cool. So yeah, but right now we're still putting it together. It's coming together very nicely, and it's starting to look pretty good. So once we get those pictures on there, I think it's really going to make a difference in like how complete the brochure looks. But yeah, that's what we're working on this week, and Wednesday is in 2 days, so hopefully by then we'll be able to pull the project together and have a working version of our deliverable ready to turn into Dr. New Work. Thanks again for tuning in to this week's episode of the Service Learning Podcast. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.